What happens when light, water, stone, and color come together to create landscapes beyond imagination? On this journey, we will step into glowing canyons in the Arizona desert, soar above the Icelandic Highlands that resemble the primordial earth, and lose ourselves in the endless purple lavender fields of southern France. From Senegal's extraordinary pink lake to the towering white cliffs along the English coast, each destination reveals a completely different face of our planet. We will experience the immense power of Iguazu Falls and rediscover a sense of peace inside Kyoto's mysterious green bamboo tunnel. Join us as we explore places where nature does more than create beautiful scenery. It transforms the entire world into a living work of art. Antelope Canyon is a masterpiece, sculpted by water and time. Its narrow passageways were formed by flash floods over thousands of years, carving smooth, flowing curves deep into the Navajo sandstone. Its most remarkable feature is the sunlight streaming through openings high above, passing through dust in the air and creating brilliant columns of light that seem almost magical. When filmed, the contrast between the darkness inside the canyon and the intense beams of light creates dramatic images with remarkable depth. Constantly changing the camera angle transforms the appearance of the light beams and rock patterns, making the experience feel like entering a sacred underground chamber. Antelope Canyon leaves a lasting impression of a mysterious place where light and stone blend together in a mesmerizing visual dance. The Icelandic Highlands are a wild and powerful region where volcanoes, glaciers, black deserts, and hot springs exist side by side. The landscape possesses a raw, haunting, and vibrant beauty that evokes the earliest days of Earth. Turquoise glacial rivers wind through dark valleys, while snow-covered mountains stand in striking contrast to the deep red volcanic terrain. For video production, wide aerial drone shots are the perfect choice for capturing the immense scale and profound isolation of the landscape. The light can change rapidly, from harsh sunshine to heavy rain and storms, creating footage filled with emotion, drama, and constant transformation. The Icelandic Highlands are an ideal setting for stories about nature's resilience and the smallness of humanity before its primal power. During the summer, the Provence region of France transforms into an endless purple ocean as millions of lavender flowers burst into bloom. This landscape is not only visually beautiful, but also awakens every sense with its rich and captivating fragrance. Perfectly aligned rows of lavender stretch toward the horizon, creating powerful visual lines filled with romance and elegance. When filming, low camera angles moving along the flower rows create a smooth, graceful, and visually pleasing sense of motion. The best time to capture the scenery is early in the morning or late in the afternoon, when the soft light makes the purple tones appear deeper and more saturated. Provence evokes the feeling of a peaceful, dreamlike, and poetic summer escape. Lake Retba, also known as Lac Rose, is famous for its unique pink water, which surprises visitors from the very first glance. This unusual color is caused by the lake's extremely high salt concentration and a special type of microorganism that produces pigments to absorb sunlight. The contrast between the pink water, the green forests along the shoreline, and the white piles of salt collected by hand creates incredibly striking images. When filming, aerial shots are ideal for highlighting the lake's unusual color against the surrounding natural landscape. The sight of salt workers standing in the pink water also provides a fascinating and deeply human story to tell. Lake Retba is a remarkable example of the strange and unexpected beauty that nature can create. Beachy Head is the highest chalk sea cliff in England, rising dramatically above the deep blue waters of the English Channel. The contrast between the brilliant white chalk, the turquoise sea, and the green grass covering the cliff top creates an extraordinarily striking and majestic landscape. When filming, shots taken from sea level looking upward emphasize the cliff's breathtaking height, while views from the summit reveal the sweeping curves of the coastline. The scenery creates a powerful sense of freedom, strength, and quiet isolation. Beachy Head is a perfect location for videos that need drama, grandeur, and a strong connection to the beauty of the ocean. Iguazu Falls is not a single waterfall, but a vast system of hundreds of large and small cascades stretching across a gigantic horseshoe-shaped cliff. The thunderous roar of the falling water echoes throughout the area, creating a permanent cloud of mist that covers the landscape. The scene inspires a powerful sense of awe before the uncontrollable force of nature. When filming, using a variety of aerial, eye-level, and close-up shots helps capture both the immense scale and the intricate details of each cascade. Rainbows frequently appear within the mist, adding another layer of romantic beauty to the footage. Iguazu Falls leaves a lasting impression of a wild, tropical paradise filled with power, energy, and life. The Arashiyama bamboo forest is a peaceful and distinctive oasis in the heart of Kyoto. Millions of tall, lush green bamboo stalks grow closely together in straight lines, forming a magical, natural tunnel. As sunlight filters through the bamboo leaves, it creates a beautiful and mysterious pattern of dappled light. When filming, walking shots along the narrow pathway create the feeling of entering another world, completely separated from the noise of the city. The gentle rustling of bamboo leaves in the wind is also an important element that enhances the viewer's experience. Arashiyama evokes the feeling of a quiet, meditative place, deeply connected to Japanese culture.